Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to make a TikTok sound your alarm. For example, if you open the TikTok and you see a video on TikTok and you want to add that sound as your alarm sound, then how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the share button here. After that, you have to simply save the video. After saving the video, what you have to do, you have to simply close the TikTok and you have to open any simple browser here. And after that, here you have to simply search for uh, video to MP3 converter. So here you have to search for video to MP3 converter. After that, you have downloaded that. For example, if you search for any and you have to click on any of the website here. After that, you have to simply upload that file here. After uploading the file, you can simply convert that video file into MP3 file. After that, you have to close the app browser, and after that you have to simply again open you have your alarm settings, and you have to make sure that you select the alarm ringtone here. In your alarm setting, what you have to do, you have to simply search for alarm ringtone here. After that, you can select the ringtone, and here you can find the option of choose local ringtones, and here you can simply click on the file manager here, and you have to look for that file that you have recently converted to mp3. And after that, you can simply add that file as your alarm ringtone, and in this way you can add any TikTok as your sound alarm. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.